Again, what is the use of that? Same military application. Now suppose you have quoted your missile which is going to the enemy, and somehow enemy managed to know that you have a DNG material position. Somehow they managed. So if you are going there and their radar shows that you are coming out, they know that you are going there. They can hit you. But because of this effect, they will be failing to exactly pinpointly find out where you are. Because you are here. Their radar shows that you are here. So they will hit you here, not here. They will miss you. Their target will be missed. So you will be safe. If you have a coating of this material on your missile, you will be safe. They cannot hit you, although they will know that you are going there. So this has a potential application because of these two applications, this one and this one. From 2000 till today, major research in these are classified all over US, all over Europe. They don't say what they are doing. What they are doing, how they are doing, they don't say. Only the ancillary part. That part comes up. Major part never comes up. So what is the next thing for us? You have to do your research and match with them, catch up with them. Right. The reason why I am talking about this is this, that if one or two of you will be interested at some point of time to take up this as a research, and if you are coming to research, take up this as a research thing, do fundamental research, then transform it into a technological research. Transform it into technology, give that technology to government. That will be a service to your nation. Okay. But any good thing, you do any good work, when you will know that you are doing good work? When people will start criticizing. If you are not criticized, you are not doing anything. You have to be criticized. The severity of criticism shows the involvement or the strength of your work in all fields of life. So when people started working on this, there are others who started observing this. There are two objections. Let us see some of the objections. This is one paper. It said wave refraction in negative index media, always positive and very homogeneous. Another paper said comment on negative refraction make a perfect lens. It is not possible to make a perfect lens. We'll see what is a perfect lens later, but this paper said that it is not possible to. 2000 they proposed that we can make a perfect lens. We can make these materials. 2001 you got this one, 2002 you got this one. Again 2001 some problems with negative refraction. It is not possible to get a negative refraction. Many papers came out immediately opposing that. Like when Einstein proposed his theory, people started opposing those theories also. Till now people are also opposing Einstein, trying to prove Einstein wrong. So people, till today, people are trying to prove that DNG is not possible. I have also continued to say for the last 15 years. There is a group which is saying that it is good, you can do this. There is a group which is saying that it is not possible. Based on physics, it is not possible. There is another group which says that. So once somebody objects, these people come out with a reply to that. Then they will come out with another reply that no, your reply is wrong because of this. Then they will come out. So we take some of the objections and some of the replies. Not all, but let us try to take one or two examples, if that is interesting to you. Now what are the objections? One objection is parallel momentum is not conserved. Except those from science diagram, like different science or physics, they will not understand this. momentum. For physics, I have discussed electromagnetic, what is momentum, that we have discussed when we discussed the pointing vector, pointing theorem. For others, so forget that. For first one, let us say causality is violated. The second objection is causality is violated. That we discuss. That is for everybody that. This is incorrect to interpret that the index is negative. It has to be positive. You cannot interpret it as negative. That was another objection. Fermat's principle is violated. Yes.
This reflex S1 and S2 in parallel momentum is not conjugate. In your case,
it is conjugate. People said that it is not conjugate. That was the objection. These are the objections.
Yes.
First objection is it is not conjugate. So whatever you are proposing is wrong.
But they gave the proof.
There are proofs that it is conjugate. Then causality is violated. So what you are saying is wrong. It is incorrect to interpret the refractive index to be negative. So what you are saying is wrong. Fermat's principle is violated. Mitigation of NDL has to be minimum. Right? Has to. So that was again violated. People say that it is violated. Superlensing is not possible. So all these are not possible. So whatever is being claimed, everything is wrong, false. There is no point in doing research in this. So that distracted many people to leave this field, leave this research. Many people started leaving this. Maybe these are correct, maybe these are incorrect. But some people, they say that, okay, let us fight, let us find out whether these are correct or not. So never leave anything without a fight. Fight till the end. Till you are convinced that, okay, for what I am fighting is wrong, fight. When you are convinced that for the cause for which I am fighting is wrong, with that, go for the fight. Replies were this, so forget the replies. We don't want to go to that.
One slide we will see.
We will see some of the slides where the objections are.
First slide, that momentum.
Momentum conservation is not violated. I am not putting that here because for these people, but if I give a seminar in physics, there that will be there. That will cover for physics students, not for our students. But that can be proved. I can prove that.
Yes.
Causality is not violated. That I will take out. Mathematics and physics shows that it is negative. That I will take out. Fermat's principle, I will say only this much. But popularly we believe that this is minimum is incorrect. Actually this is an extremum. It can be minimum or can be maximum. When dou by something, dou by dou is equal to 0, that does not necessarily mean it is minimized. The function is minimized. It means that function is either maximum or a minimum. So based on that, because this shows a maximum. So this is incorrect. Saying that it is minimum, based on minimum, discarding this is incorrect. And superlensing is possible. There is a limit. Forget that limit. But we will see superlensing is possible. So some of these we will see. Wherever you feel good or when I feel hungry, I will stop. So let us start with energy density in a DNC medium. Because it is violated. So let me start with this. So first start with time average density of energy. You know the expression for that. U, non-dispersive medium. If it is a non-dispersive medium, you know U, which is the energy density, is equal to 1 by 4 epsilon E square plus mu H square. That we know, all of us will know. Right? Now they say, those who objected, you can also say this. If epsilon is negative, mu is negative, U is negative. What does that mean? Energy is being generated out of nothing. You just have the material. That material is going to give you enormous energy out of nothing. Energy cannot be created. Without any cause, there cannot be energy. There has to be a cause. So causality is valid. They were correct. Isn't it? Now you are saying this is negative, so energy is negative. If energy is negative, means out of nothing you are creating energy. All problems solved. Energy problem of world solved. The moment you realize that material, is it possible? Not possible. You are violating the principle of conservation of energy. So they were right when they pointed this out, that this negative is not possible because it is violating causality. They were right. The paper that claimed this, that paper is correct. You don't have a choice there. You have to accept that. Both are negative, so it has to be negative. Now let us put it in another way. This is not a physical method. Cannot be physical. Now let us look at it in another way. Let us say instead of epsilon, let us say that is dou omega epsilon by dou omega. Epsilon is constant, you take it out, dou omega by dou omega 1, so you get this one, again you get this one. Right? So what changes is there? Now if I say that this epsilon is a function of frequency, which I said from the beginning, and this mu is also a function of frequency. Epsilon is a function of frequency, mu is a function of frequency. This expression is incorrect, this expression is correct. If these are not functions of frequency, this is a generalized equation. If these are functions of frequency, then this is for a dispersive medium. Now if they are functions of frequency and physical requirement, I put that this is greater than 0, this is greater than 0. This part is greater than 0, this part is greater than 0. Which means this part is positive. Energy density is positive, problem solved. Possible. If you have a dispersive medium, the medium has to be dispersive. If you have a DNC, the medium has to be dispersive. That is the point. If you say that medium is not dispersive and it is DNC, then there is a problem. It is not positive. So problem is solved. This was the answer. Is it convincing? For how many people it is convincing? How many of you agree that okay, this is possible? This we accept. This explanation we accept. You agree? So how many of you don't agree that this explanation is correct? You don't agree that this explanation is correct. Okay. Tell me why you don't agree. What is the problem?
So my question is, dou by dou omega epsilon divided by dou omega. How is that positive?
No, condition.